I'm freezing. Good morning, everyone. I'm actually wearing my hair down today for once. I never wear my hair down at home just because it gets so humid and gross, but I feel like here my hair is actually gonna hold up well. It's supposed to rain today, so we'll see how that goes. I don't have an umbrella. Let me show you my outfit and then I'll tell you what I'm doing and like what my plan is for today. So I moved my mirror into my bedroom because I think I'm gonna film some videos later, but I'm wearing this sweatshirt from Overchill. Here's what it looks like. Waiting for the rest of my closet to come, so I just had to wear like whatever I have right now, even though I don't like my outfit. This is from Nordstrom Rack. I think it was like $40. And then these are Glassons. I only wear Glassons pants. And my sneakers are from Farfetch. I don't have a code currently, but if any of my friends have a code, I'll put it in the link below for you to use. So today my plans are going to Soho, meeting up with some friends, actually some people I've never met, for a little brunch at Maman, and then we're going to just shoot around Soho. And then my birthday outfit hasn't come in the mail yet, and my birthday's tomorrow. I have no clothes here, else I would just wear something in my closet, so I think I might go shopping in Soho for a little, just to look for something quickly. The Bachelor's on tonight, Bachelorette is on, so I'm gonna stay in because I am going to dinner tomorrow for my birthday. I just have a chill night. Maybe I'll watch a movie. I feel like I just need to relax. I've been doing a lot lately, so a lot of people have been asking me for an apartment tour, and I want to do it once I get like all my furniture, but I think I might do an empty apartment tour right now. So you walk in, here's an overview. Again, I have nothing right now. I'm literally sleeping on an air mattress. My little nightstand came in yesterday. I posted it on my story. I'll link it below. I'm obsessed with the white brick. I ordered a counter because there's no counter space, so that's gonna be right here. I have my TV coming, my TV stand, my little white chair. I ordered a couch. I'm gonna put my desk over here. And then this is the bedroom. It has amazing lighting. Closet is a really good size. And there's another closet right here. 2 bright windows. And then I will put my bed somewhere over here. Again, I'm just like living out of a suitcase right now. I'll show you the bathroom. It's actually a really good size for a New York apartment. So you walk in, there's this under the sink storage, and then a huge medicine cabinet, which is my favorite part. And a lot of space. I ordered something that's gonna go over the toilet for storage. Shower. I'll definitely go more in detail and show you where I get everything from as it comes in, but a lot of people have been texting me like, I want to see your apartment, so here you go. Little overview of what it looks like right now, even though there's nothing in it. Hi vlog.
New York, I need you to get extra loud for our future baby daddies. Ethan, Kelly, and Travis Barker.
Yeah, I want to do the vlog on today. We're just shooting over here. We just got some coffee. It's literally freezing, and I need like gloves and a hat and a scarf and everything. Just shooting at like this little wall right here. So out of breath from carrying that up the stairs. Oh my god. I need to check my email because it stopped working on my phone, and so like I haven't been getting any work emails, and I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing something while I was out. So yeah, I'm gonna open up this package and figure out what's inside of it. I think it's the shelf for my bathroom, so we're gonna put that together and see how it looks. So I'm having the most boring lunch because I'm actually leaving on Thursday to go out of town. It's my friend Amanda's wedding in Florida. So even though I just got here, I'm already going back to Florida on Thursday for the weekend, and I'm excited to see all my friends, and I'm gonna go home to Tampa for a few days too, just because my mom wants me to come home until Tuesday. My point was that I have food I need to eat in my fridge before I leave. So I just made this salad, and then I'm gonna have like some guac, maybe one of those like protein bars if I'm still hungry. And I just got another package. They called up, so I'm gonna run down there, see what that is. Maybe it's my birthday offer for tomorrow. If not, I'm gonna go shopping a little bit more because I didn't really like anything at Zara. I found like 2 dresses I liked, but I'm like, I'll never really wear these again, and I wanna get something that I can wear again that's like good quality. I'm overwhelmed. I have a little bit of a plan for the day. I'm going to get my free Starbucks drink right now. And I think I'm going to get my toes done because of the wedding that I'm in this weekend. I'm leaving tomorrow to go home for that. So I need to freshen up my toes. My nails are already done. And I need to work. So I'll come back here, do some work. Then I'm going to Adrian's at like 2 or 3 because I need to pick out an outfit. I need to borrow something from her since I literally have nothing to wear still. Yeah, come along my birthday with me. Let me show you what I'm wearing first. Special, wearing my Lulu leggings, the same Farfetch sneakers. Don't know where my puffer is from, and then I got this sweatshirt sent from Reebok like 2 days ago. So it's like 43 degrees out and the heat finally kicked in last night. I slept so well, and then this morning like it was making a bunch of noise when it was turning off. I don't know if that's normal. Hi.
Good morning.
We're going to get our nails. Well, Monica's getting her nails done. I'm getting my toes done. And we're kind of just skipping work this morning.
But
because it's my birthday, so yeah. So what do you think you're gonna get on your nails? What do you have on them now?
I just have
Tips like that.
Well, yeah.
I think
I don't know. I think I'm gonna do something like brown or nude.
Yeah.
Keep playing into this gray space. It's time for a change.
But neutrals only. I'm gonna get like a light pink on my toes because our dresses for the wedding are light pink. So yeah, I'll show you afterwards. Do you want to give me outfit details?
So my set is Lanya. I just got it from Samsung yesterday. Jacket, it's actually Land's End, my puffer. I've had it. It was my first winter jacket ever. Bag is New Balenciaga. Sunny is our crew. Shoes are Reebok, obviously.
Cute. I want those ones.
And actually,
in
a lot
white.
of people have asked me about my cup. It's a porter mug.
Okay, I'll link everything below. Where's your clip from?
Oh,
Glasses. I know it. I just ran home to get onto my meeting in time, and I did it. I was like 2 minutes late, but that's fine. My toes are done. They look really good. I'm not going to show you because I hate my feet. So they do look good. I just got light pink, basically the same color as these. And I'm going to do a little packing while I have a break from work, and then head over to Adrian's to pick out my outfit for tonight. Hi, thank you.
Such a main character moment for us.
But we love the bus.
We like
Don't take the bus. I'm sorry.
yeah, sucks for you. Sucks for you.